OMG. Yay! Hey y'all, hey look, it's your girl C, y'all. I'm back with another video for y'all. I just wanted to inform you guys that I'm back, period. Let's go ahead and say grace, y'all, and I'm gonna let y'all know what I'm finna get into, as y'all can see. Bow your heads, please. Amen, amen, amen. 3 times is a charm. Okay, y'all, I do apologize, y'all. I had some technical difficulties. Anyway, y'all, look, listen. Make sure you stop what you're doing right now. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share this video out with anyone and everyone. Please, let them know what your girl OMG is doing over here on this channel. Hit the bell. When you hit the bell, make sure that you turn your notifications to all. When you do that, you'll be notified each and every time I upload a brand new video. Are you kidding me? I said grace already, right? I don't even remember. I think I did. Y'all, my camera wasn't even recording, y'all. And I need to go get me a fork. First bite right quick, y'all. I had my first bite already, but it wasn't when you were recording. Are you kidding me, y'all? Look, and my chip. Oh my God. This might be a fail. Here you go. I'm just trying to eat my nachos. And this camera won't let me be great. Well, yeah, I got nachos. Y'all, I'm so sorry. This video is probably going to be all over the place. I really just want to eat my nachos, y'all. Oh, I need to take a thumbnail. How's everyone doing? Y'all let me know how you feel. I'm gonna take a thumbnail real quick, y'all. Let's get a thumbnail. Y'all, these nachos spicy. I'm gonna take a thumbnail. That's a thumbnail. Y'all, the camera device I'm using is acting funny. Well, this video is not long. I do apologize. Because I ain't got time for the foolishness. I still have to, you know, edit and everything. Coldest water bottle, y'all. I got some water in here, y'all. But my camera acting crazy. Y'all, some sour cream. A little bit of sour cream, y'all, because I didn't buy any. I forgot to buy some sour cream from the store when I went to the store. Totally forgot. Yeah, I'm really not trying to give like my secret ingredients or whatever when I make my ground beef on the nacho. These are Doritos chips. Party pack. Dorito. That's normally what I like to eat when I make nachos. I get the Doritos chips, y'all, because it adds more nacho flavor, nacho cheese flavor. And I don't have to add that much flavor to the meat. You got flavor in the cheese, you got flavor in the chips. The only two things I'll mention is in my meat, my ground beef, is a lot of garlic powder and a lot of onion powder. Put your hand in the comments if a lot of black people use. I shouldn't have said that. Hold on. Not black people, y'all, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. It came out wrong. We all like to use a lot of garlic powder, onion powder, slap your mama seasoning, you know, Tony's Sasseries. Y'all know what I was trying to say, y'all. I'm sorry it came out that way. I'm an Aries. Forgive me, y'all. I'd be babbling. How's everyone doing? Y'all talk to me. Let me know how you feel in the comment. I'm probably finna mess around and take this back to the microwave. I got this fan on up here, throwing me off. I wish I had some more sour cream, y'all. That's the only thing that disappointed me. So I forgot to buy me some more sour cream. And I like a lot of sour cream. But these nachos is busting. Y'all look. These nachos is busting. Look at these nachos. Only thing I put in the meat too was some red bell peppers, y'all, and a white onion, a little bit of a white onion. Okay, y'all, I'm sorry. I had to add some more cheese, y'all. Shredded cheese. It's a certain blend. Y'all want another nacho? There it is. I hope everyone had a good day. Happy Monday. If you don't receive this Monday, y'all, you'll receive it Tuesday morning. Now, I don't have no topic. Okay? I'm just enjoying my nachos, y'all. Real talk. Because they are bomb. Ooh, they go one with a lot of meat. Y'all, heard about, another person catching corona, catching C19, behind people that don't want to wear their masks. If y'all heard about that, let me know in the comments. Because I'm hoping y'all understand it's another, or they claim, allegedly, because I'm on my channel, another wave of this, y'all. And there's just so much going on, and it's unfortunate. But in my eyes, the only thing I can think of, the only thing I can say, the first thing that come to mind is just to pray, y'all, and stand still. Stand still. And then you'll see, in my eyes, you'll see the salvation of the Lord. You have to stand still, y'all. And it's just too much. That's all I'm going to say about it, because I don't like talking about it on my channel, y'all. So that's all I'm going to say. Okay? Okay. All I'm going to say. Y'all, my eyes was bigger than my stomach tonight again. Back rolling, y'all. Y'all, I had some food earlier, y'all. It wasn't a lot, but these nachos so good. I don't even know what to do with myself. Just had a whole text message. Woo! It's a lot of nacho. Look at that little dent I put in there. A small baby dent. Hoo-wee. Y'all so good. rolling. Y'all, I'm getting full. Okay? I'm getting full. Oh, I need some meat on this. What do you need that? Y'all, I want to tell y'all right now, I love y'all so much. Each and every one of my subscribers. Y'all stay tuned for the next video. This will be another video coming out, y'all. We never know what's coming next. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell, y'all. If you could, please hit the bell. I'm gonna give y'all the last one, last bite. Got a lot of cheese and nachos and meat on there. I mean, chips. Really? Y'all, I love y'all. Stay safe, stay blessed, and please, y'all remember to always stay faithful. It's your girl OMG. Yay! Let's eat with C. Y'all come on back for the next video. It's gonna be a good one. Come on back. I love y'all. Peace out.